What's up, folks? How are you today? I have another video today for you guys regarding the maintenance of Xiaomi robot. And what are we gonna do today? Well, the time has come to replace the side brush. If you can see in my app, I have a warning. As always, Xiaomi stuff always comes packaged in this nice little minimalistic boxes, and as I can see, you get actually two side brushes, so that's cool. It's not a real rip-off. Let's just take one of these brushes out, store the other one. Yeah, so it's exactly the same. This should be really no problem to replace. So let's get to it. We need to remove the old one. We'll be using a Phillips screwdriver for this job. So let's just unscrew it lefty loosey, as they say. Yep, it's already out. That's pretty much it. Here's the old one. A little bit dusty, but I can say it's okay, missing a few bristles, if you can see. So yeah, but all in all, I think it's in a good shape, so not really that urgent to replace, but let's do it anyway. I wonder where all these bristles were destroyed. Okay, so looks pretty clean. Not gonna do any more than that. I guess that little side brush makes quite a difference, as it's cleaning the position of the brush all the time. So yeah, that's not much to it. I just stuck it back in. There's a little grooves that you have to make sure they fit nicely in the right position. So righty tighty on the screw, and yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Pretty simple job. Again, you can see my other videos. I did some cleaning on the previous videos and some filter replacements, so you can check that out. And I'll be, I guess, soon making another video about replacing the main brush. I think that still has some few hours in it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. Thanks to the people that already subscribed. Yeah, alright, let's keep on going. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave it down below. I'll try to answer it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.